great to have everybody here today to celebrate this big groundbreaking. So, Mayor and Alderman, thanks for being here, and thanks for everybody else. This is important that the SNC employees get to be here, because SNC is an employee-owned company, so we all have a stake in this expansion. As we mentioned at the town hall meeting last year, the sales of the products out of here grew by 25%. The compound annual rate over the last 5 years, the growth has been just short of 30%. So this is definitely a fast-growing business, nice problem to have, and so grow we must. The plan here is to add 35,000 square feet of manufacturing space, which more than doubles the space that we have today, 4,000 square feet of office, break room, restrooms, and in total we will almost double the square footage here. And it is a neat thing because, you know, the building that we took over here wasn't exactly ideal for us. As you know, from moving around the big DStatCom containers, it's complicated. You know, it's the way that the Egyptians moved the blocks to build the pyramids, pretty much. And so the new building is being designed so that we can actually receive the DStat containers, we can assemble them, and we can move them out without some of the safety issues and without blocking up production like we do today. We talked before about the engineering work that's being done here, because this is very high-tech stuff that we're building. And one of our biggest problems in dealing with field issues and in dealing with new products is testing. And so we're basically going to double the number of testing stations and actually have some that are dedicated to engineering. This expansion is something for everybody, and will help us to be able to accommodate several years of growth. We talked before at the town hall meeting about the lean performance system and the great work you're doing there, and how that's helped us to speed things through production. And so in this new plan, we not only take advantage of these Kaizen events that you've been running, but we've also got a better way to flow the subcomponents into the DStatCom components. So while we'll never get flow in production of this kind of equipment, I think we're going to see some real improvements in the productivity, which will not only help improve our costs, but will also help us to be able to live with this new facility for a long, long time. So this is something I think well worth celebrating. You folks who work at SNC here in Franklin have done a great job, and you know, you are the reason that we're doing this expansion. We're putting $4 million more investment into this business because of the success you've achieved, and because we are absolutely convinced that this success is going to continue.
I guess I was very pleased when I was going through the website to see what a quality company SNC is, and not just in the city of Franklin, but worldwide. You clearly are on the cutting edge of technology, the smart grid, and your electrical components that you're making for the world. And we would very much like to see that growth continue in the city of Franklin. I would also like to thank all of the people that work at SNC and live in the city of Franklin for your contributions not only to your company, but to our community. So with that, thank you very much.